Okay, number 2 says you live east of campus and you are walking from campus towards your home at a constant speed. When you get there, you rest for 5 minutes and then run back west at a rapid speed. After a few minutes, you reach your destination and then you rest for 10 minutes. Measure your location as your distance west of your home and make graphs of your location and velocity. So the distance is going to be west from home. Now, because we're starting out away from home, we're going to be basically starting out kind of up here. And actually, I want to use blue. Starting up here. And then we're going to make it home. And then we're also going to make it back to our destination. And we're going to rest there. So this area here, or not area, but this slope is going to be where I'm walking back home. And I just want to make sure that this slope of the line when I go back is steeper because I'm running. So I don't really care how much steeper it is, as long as it kind of looks a little bit steeper, then that's all I really care about. If we look at the velocity, this is kind of tricky because we're walking home. So because we're walking east, we're going against what we're defining the positive distance. So it's actually going to be a negative velocity here. So anytime you see, again, if you look at the box at the top of the page, when the directed distance is decreasing, the velocity is negative. So because this is going down, that means this has to be below the axis. And then we're going to make it back home, and we're going to rest. So this is the walking back home, and then this is the rest, and then we're going to run. So this is now running at a constant rate, and I want to make sure that this is kind of higher up here than this was lower. So again, these are kind of tricky. So then I'm going to make it to my destination, and then I'm going to rest, which again, the resting is the velocity has to be 0 down here. Now, you'll notice that this is kind of immediate. So this is very vertical here, here, and here. If you want to make them a little bit more curved, you can. The reason why it's pretty vertical is because you're walking and resting, and it doesn't take that long to slow down. Whereas on the previous example, if it's a car, it definitely slows down, or should be slowing down more gradually. So this is kind of more immediate. But if you want to put some curvature to those lines, then you could as well. So that'll be it for this problem.